If you don't want to save your history on your Chrome, so there is a one way you can disable or turn off your history to save on your Chrome browser. So I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So let me open my Chrome browser first. So first, simple way I show you how you can delete your search history. Just click on three dot option, go to the history, and go to the history again, and go to the clear browsing data, and here you can select the time range. Okay, you can delete the last 24 hours, last 4 week, or for all time. You can select all browsing history, or if you can select everything. If you want, you have to come to the advanced. Okay, so you can select or deselect anything, and you can delete only browsing history, download history, and all. Just clear the data, then history will be delete. But when you delete the history, then history will be again create when you search anything, or your activities will be save as a history. So if you want to if you don't want to make a Chrome browser to save your history, if you want to turn off or disable your history to save on Chrome, so there is a one way I will show you. Just come to your my computer, or go to the app data, come to the run here, just hit the run and type the app data here. Okay, then come to the local Google here. Under the Google, just come to the Chrome, go to the user data, just scroll down and just select the profile. If you have a mini profile in Chrome, you can see like this, or if you don't have profile, you can scroll down and find this option. So I have profile, so just I select any profile here. I just scroll down, and this is my profile. Now we need to search on history. Okay, this is history. I need to right click on it, just go to the property. I have to click on read only and just click to apply and okay. So your all your history will be now turned off, and it will be not saved. You have to click on read on only. Okay, so just right click on history and just make it read only. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.